Another 3D printed business card kit. Only this one I've done a little bit bigger than a business card. I think that's, well, it's over double size, just to make it easier to put the bits together. Halfway through. Hi guys, got a few more of those business card style 3D printed kits. Only, as you can see, I've printed them a bit larger than business card size, just to make it a bit easier for me to put them together. And somehow or other I've managed to print 2 of those. TIE Fighter, TIE Advanced by Nakozen. I can see those bits fold in. So we'll do them first. Very simple little MiG-29 there. Oh, that's Nakozen as well. And then this one is the Mandalorian. It says Razor Crest by Fine Engineer. I'll do this one first. Got my cutters. I've printed these on lowest quality. Usually I print them on the highest quality. But they seem to have come out all right on low quality. I suppose it's just the amount of detail you can see and how good or bad that detail is. I haven't looked at the instructions for this. I'm full of confidence that I'll be able to work it out. We'll find out in a minute, won't we? Right, these fold in. Probably weren't supposed to snap off, but I don't think that's actually going to matter. They clearly go on here. And I expect if I put a bit of glue on there, that'll hold it anyway. Talking about glue. Oh, didn't think any was coming out, and then a whole load of it's come out. Smear it around a little bit, spread it out. Got far too much on there. Oh dear me. I don't like these little tubes. Never mind, too late now. We've done it. Right, so question is, which way round does it go? That's got to go on there, surely. And that's going to go on the back. So there's no other way that can go, and then they must go that way round, because there's a little bit there for it to go into. I wonder if that glue's dried yet. No, it hasn't. Let's go for it. Hope for the best. Get our fingers all glued. Oh, it's all leaking out. I have to clean that up in a second. There we go. Finished. But I'll leave that to dry while my fingers are getting stuck to it, because the glue's gone everywhere. Right, we stand it up on end. Okay, I'll clean up that bit of glue. I'll put that one together, and then we'll have a pair of them. Right, there we go. A couple of TIE fighters. They're spinning because the cotton is just unwinding. I've hung them up on. So they will slow down eventually. Still. Yeah, not bad. Easy enough to assemble. Difficult to keep in focus for some reason. Yeah, job done. Details in the video description for the Thingiverse link, so you can download it and have a go yourself. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.